This store made approximately $27,000 last month by selling these products. And the best part about it is that they only focus on making TikTok videos, meaning they don't spend a single dollar on ads. They create content on TikTok and include a link to their online store, so when people click on it, they are directed to the product. As you can see, the prices for these products start from $30 up to $56, and in reality, this product costs around $18, or $15 as in this case, or $11 like this product, and they managed to make around 640 orders from dropshipping last month. This is their best-selling product, generating about $13,000. They sell this product for $37, but the cost of the product is approximately $12. Today, I will teach you step by step how to start dropshipping, create an online store, find a supplier who can provide these products at a low price, link it to your online store, and as soon as a customer orders the product, it gets shipped directly to them. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in e-commerce, like this video, and let's start our dropshipping journey. The first step is to click on the link in the video description to get an online store from Shopify. Through this link, you can get a 3-day free trial from Shopify, and your first month on Shopify will only cost you $1. You will start by entering your email. Then after a few simple steps, you will create a professional online store. After that, you will choose the country you want to sell in, then click Next, register using your email, set your password, and create your online store on Shopify. Within seconds, your online store will be ready. As you can see, we have now started our free trial. 3 days free and the first month for only $1. You can click here on Select a Plan and choose any plan from Shopify. If you're a beginner, I recommend the basic plan. You can click here on Select Basic. After that, it will ask for your bank card details, or you can pay through PayPal. You can complete this step now or after you finish designing your online store. Our second step is to find a supplier to get the products from, who will ship the products to the customers who order from our store. That supplier is Zendrop, and I've left a link to the Zendrop app and website in the video description. You will click on it, and it will take you to this page where you can click on Install to start installing the app on your store and link it. After that, we will click on Install Begin. Once we have installed the Zendrop app, we can access it by clicking here on Apps, then selecting Zendrop. From here, we can search for the product we want to link to the store. The advantage of Zendrop is that it has thousands of products in all the categories we need: clothing, bags, shoes, accessories, and other products we can work with. We will start searching here for the product, and this is the name of the product we will search for. The products will start appearing, and you will see different prices here. This product is almost the same product they are selling on their store. We will click on this product. Here we can see all the details of the product, and below you will find the colors, types, and versions available for this product. Here will be the cost of the product and next to it the shipping cost to the country you choose from here. You can select any country from here, and after that, this will be the total price of the product. You can increase the price of the product as you like. For example, this person sells the product for about $37, and you can sell it for around $30 or more depending on what you want. To add this product to our store, we will click here on Add to My Products. Then, the product will appear here in My Products. We will click on it, then click on Review and Publish. Here we can change the product name, adjust the product description, and here are the product variations. We can change the price from this section before linking it to the store, and here are the images of the product. Once you've made all the necessary changes, you will click on Publish to My Store, then click Confirm, and the product should now be available in our store. If we go here to Products, we will find that the product is already available here. If we click on the product, we will find all the details: the product name, description, and the product images, which we can easily edit. Here, we will find the available colors and sizes of the product, and here you can modify the product prices. Next, we have a very important step, which is customizing the online store. This means changing the appearance of the online store, just like this person did in their store. They added an image, then a title, followed by a purchase button, and below that, they added the product. We can do this by going to Online Store, then clicking on Customize from here. We can edit everything related to our online store, including the logo. We can add a logo by coming here and selecting Logo, then uploading our logo here. We can click on this image and select an image from this section, and we can click on this title and edit it. You will find the product here, and if we click on it, it will take us to the product page, which we can easily edit and customize. You will find a video on the channel that will teach you how to build a professional online store on Shopify. I will also leave it for you in the video description. But for now, let me quickly place an order for this product so we can see if, when our customer places an order, it will appear here on Zendrop or not. We will go to the product, for example, choose the pink color and the 13 Pro version, then I will click on the purchase button. I will start entering all the customer's information here after the customer orders the product from your store. The order should appear here on Zendrop. If we refresh, we will find that the order is already here, and we can see all the information related to it by clicking on it. We will see that they ordered this color and the price for it. From here, we can click on Fulfill Order, so that the order is sent to the customer. The advantage of Zendrop is that it gives you about 25 orders in the free plan that you can send to the customer. You need to have a balance here to be able to send the order. The order cost must be available here, and to add a balance, you click here and then choose to add funds via bank card or PayPal. But this is done manually. To fulfill orders automatically, you can click here on Auto Fulfillment, but this is available in the paid plan. You can click here and press Upgrade, and you will find two paid plans. The first plan is $49, and the second plan is $79. If you are a beginner, I recommend subscribing to the $49 plan, which offers auto fulfillment. However, as a free trial, first try Zendrop. You have 25 orders that you can process in the free plan by adding the order cost here as soon as the customer places an order and then sending the order to them. You will have linked a payment gateway to your online store through the settings, so the customer would have already paid you before you send the order. You will find all the steps for creating a store available on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. I wish you a successful journey in e-commerce.